In this figure, a racing track is being depicted whose left and right ends are semicircular. Can you see left and right ends? These are semicircular, right? These are semicircular. And the distance between the two inner parallel segments is 60 meters. That means these are the parallel. Obviously, the track is there, so all these should be parallel to each other, right? The distance between inner parallel, this is 60 meters. We are given this information, and they are each 106 meters long. And these tracks, how long are they? 106, right? If the track is 10 meters wide, now wide means the distance between inner and outer beta. This is 10 meters. And if this is 10 meters from here, this should be 10 meters from here as well. From here, from everywhere, the width of the track is 10 meters, right? Find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Now, what does it mean? Find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Let me just zoom it out. Hanji. How to do that, children? Kaise kare? Tell me. We have to find the distance around its inner edge. Let me just name it something. Let it be A, B, C, D, E, and F. Right? Can you please tell me how to find the distance around the inner edge? Will it be AB? Will it be AB plus the length of arc BCD plus this length DE, again the length of this arc EFA? Children, please let me know this thing. Yes, is this the distance around? Is this the distance, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what is AB?
106.
106 meters.
Very good. AB is 106. What is DE?
106.
Again. Now BCD, as we are given, this is a semicircle. Now, being a semicircle, what does it mean? What is this part of a semicircle?
Arc.
R. Now, the circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r.
2 pi r.
So, what is the length of a half circle, semicircle?
Pi r.
Pi r.
Pi r. So, it has to be pi r. Now, BCD has to be pi r, and likewise EFA has to be pi r. Now the question arises, what is this r? Ye r kya hai? Are we given radius in the question? Children, are we given radius?
60 meters.
Yes. This is given to be 60 meter. The distance between inner parallel plates is 60 meter. And clearly from the figure, this 60 meter is the radius of the inner circle, semicircle, sorry. जी बेटा, तो inner का अगर 60 है, so from here till here is the radius. What is this going to be?
30 centimeters.
30 centimeter.
30 meter.
Oh, sorry, meter.
The small r is 30 meter. Clear? And if I take this as capital R as the radius of the outer semicircle, can you tell me what is capital R going to be?
40 meter.
Yes, 30 meter for the smaller one plus 10 meter is the width. So capital R, if we need, that will be your 40 meter. जी बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we now calculate it? That will give us the distance. कर सकते हैं हम?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the first part. Now in second part, they
Ma'am,
are
ये
asking us.
बड़ा वाला R
Yes.
कैसे आया?
See beta na. This is small one and this is capital one. Right? From here till here, the radius of the smallest semicircle is 30 meter. Right? After that, we are given that the width is 10 meter. After that, the width is 10 meter. So what is the radius of the outer semicircle?
40 meters.
40 meter. And we have done in lower classes also that outer radius is inner radius plus the width. And that is how we do it. Anyways, clear now? Clear now? And the now next part. The next part is, sorry, find the area of the track. Now children, what do we mean by area of the track? Does it mean this inner portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Does it mean the area? Ji, how to find area now? Please see. Let us divide this entire area of the track in some smaller chunks, smaller parts. What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Angle.
Rectangle.
Likewise here. What shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Now, how to find area of this rectangle?
Length into
106.
breadth.
Length into breadth.
106 into 10.
106 into 10. And this is to be taken how many times?
2 times.
2 times.
2 times. So 2 into 106 into 10. This part is done. Now let us focus on this part. How to find area of this thing?
Outer minus inner.
You have one semicircle. From here, you have taken out inner. That is how you are getting this shape. Ji beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So area of outer semicircle minus inner semicircle. Outer minus inner. Will it give you the area of this semicircular ring?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And this again is to be taken how many times?
2 times. 2 times.
2 times.
2 times. So 2 we can take common. We can keep 2 common, and in the bracket area of this rectangular portion plus area of this semicircular ring. Semicircular ring means pi capital R square upon 2 minus pi small r square by 2. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we can, from here, in this bracket, pi by 2 can be taken common. In the bracket, we have capital R square minus small r square. Now again, capital R square minus small r square will give us a minus b, a plus b identity. And that is how we can simplify and find the area of track. Yes? I've given you the simplified version. Now putting the values, we can calculate it. Is the question